is the first and fastest seeded heat for the men's 800. Desmond Bell from Morehead State. Luke Raby from Spring Arbor. Donovan Wanacott from Shawnee State. Ryan Wynn from the University of Cincinnati. Tyler Cobb from Shawnee State. Cameron Roman from the University of Cincinnati. Jason Bruns from Wright State. Wes Morris from Morehead State. Tony Williamson from the University of Cincinnati. Wilfred Schneer from the University of Cincinnati. Jared Lover from Spring Arbor. And Nathan Martin from Spring Arbor. And it's a very close race here between Bell and Wynn.